The beer of the day is 805 beer, and that beer goes pretty good with hamburgers. So today I'm making Smashburgers, and as you can see behind me, I'm ready to go. So are you ready? My beard is ready. Let's do this. Tú sabes. Okay, so I got a little bit over a pound 80/20 ground beef, some American regular cheese. I got some gourmet tailgaters hamburger bread, and don't forget your 805 beer. Look at my new drinking glass. Tú sabes. And here are the ingredients for my special sauce. Famous Dave's barbecue, some Worcestershire sauce, however you want to say it, some Heinz ketchup, regular mayo, mayonnaise, put a little mustard. Oh, hit my beer, but I caught it, don't worry. Okay, now you get your half cup measure and you make little hamburger balls, just like this. Don't pack them too much because they're gonna be smashed in a bit. So for a little bit over a pound, I got 6 patties. So that means that's 3 double cheeseburgers. Normally these hamburgers are made on a griddle, but you can do them on a pan. Just put some butter, no oil. First, we're going to toast our bread. Okay, the buns are toasted. So now we go to the meat. Okay, just put a little bit of butter. You don't need oil. The meat has enough grease, so no oil, just a little bit of butter. I'm just playing with it right now. And now just get yourself a piece of parchment paper, put it on top of the patty. I use my baby machete to smash it. And that didn't work too well, so I just got a cup and started smashing all ends of it on all sides, and that worked perfectly. Make sure you get some of that butter on that patty. That's what gives it the flavor. That's right. Now it's time to flip it, and look at that color. Oh my God, that right there is money. And never forget the salt and pepper. Only a few minutes and it's almost done. Put some cheese on it. And then, you know what? I'm just gonna do the other one. Why not? Now it's time for the other pan. That one's done. Don't forget the cheese. Tú sabes. And now for the most important ingredient, my special sauce. Put some mayo, ketchup, mustard, a little Worcestershire sauce, and then I put some Famous Dave's barbecue sauce, mixer-uppy, and you're ready to go. You don't need lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles. All you need is the cheese, the patty, the bread, and this special sauce. This hamburger is totally delicious. It's juicy, and you know what? I'm becoming a big Smashburger fan. This is so good. You'll see me at the end of the video just enjoying it. Put as much sauce as you want. You know what? I'm just gonna put it on the bread as well. I don't care. It's so good. And now, time for the most important part of this video, my 805 beer. I know this is not how you pour beer into a glass, but bear with me. I have the camera on one hand and the beer on the other hand, so tú sabes, it still tastes good. Well, there you have it. Look at that mess. Look at this burger. Oh my God. Cost me 20 bucks for the meat, cheese, bread, 6-pack of 805. Oh my God. This is so good. Anybody can do it. You can do it. Live life. Enjoy. Life is too short. Tú sabes. Eat good. Hang out with good, positive people. And you'll be okay. Hold on. Let me take another bite of this. Look at this. That special sauce is killer. Money. Tú sabes. Look at that. Hold on. Time for my... It's perfect. A Smashburger, 805 beer. What else could I want? It's perfect. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit all the buttons that YouTube offers, like, you know, tú sabes. $20. $20 will get you 3 double cheeseburgers for your family. Doesn't take much. Look at the mess I made. My wife's not gonna be happy, but she'll be happy when she sees this double cheeseburger, Smashburger, with an 805 beer. Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna put some more special sauce. Look at all the special sauce I put in. Look at all that special sauce. Look at all that special sauce. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. And hold on, sorry. It's good stuff. Write down in the comments what other foods you want me to cook. Sorry, I'm busy. Pretty good. It's pretty good.
Thank you.